Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
What's your whole name?
Mary Annabella Maxie.
What's my whole name?
Elena Bianca Maxie.
What's Daddy's whole name?
Jim Brian Maxie.
Why are you talking in that voice?
Because I'm pretending I'm my daddy.
You're pretending you're Daddy?
Yeah.
Is that how Daddy sound?
Yeah.
What did Daddy say?
A good boy.
They're good boys?
Yeah.
But what do they say?
Hello.
What do they do?
Who's walk?
They walk?
Yeah. I want to see.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. I see it.